Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be Ryzen 550 600G build. The total price for the PC is 50,000 rupees. Let's discuss the component which we're gonna use in this video and in this build. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below. Both Amazon and our website links are mentioned there, so go ahead and check the latest price for this build. So let's start with the processor first. For the processor, we have got Ryzen 550 600G. For the motherboard, we have got MSI B550M Pro VDH Wi-Fi. For the RAM, we have got T-Force 3200 MHz 8x2. For the SSD, we have got XPG S5 256GB. For more storage, we are using WD2TB Blue. This is 7200 RPM. For power supply, we are going with Corsair CB450. If you wish to upgrade GPU in future, go ahead and consider a higher watt power supply. The customer would not be putting any GPU in future. If yes, but it will not be that heavy. So 450 is more than enough. We have confirmed with the customer. Also, we are going with Windows key, which is from cheapokeys.com, and this is altogether 50k. The cabinet is Galaxy Revolution 05. This is available for 2500 rupees. Comes with 3 fan in the front, 1 in the rear, all are RGB. Also 3 USB port on the top, and 2500 is a sweet deal with tempered glass. The actual price is 4050 rupees. We are offering 1500 rupees cashback. That is an instant cashback. You can redeem the cashback instantly on your next purchase. So this is what we have for the build. Let's just go ahead and begin the PC build now.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets
Alright, so we're done with the PC build and the PC is performing absolutely nice, well, wonderful, and the cabinet is awesome for 2500 rupees. Looks great with a lot of RGB fans, good ventilation, 360mm is supported in the front, 3 USB on the top. Great buy, I would say 2500 rupees for this cabinet. Again, the power supply I have installed a 450 watt, do consider a higher watt power supply if you are planning to put RTX 3050, 3060, 3060 Ti or any sort of thing, or do consider checking with us if you're buying the PC from techmartunbox.com. We'll suggest you. For this build it is not required, as customer will not be putting any heavy power GPU, and hence this 450 is more than enough. So this is all about this 50k PC build, Ryzen 5 5600G. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment box below. I would love to answer them. You can visit techmartunbox.com and please do subscribe our channel, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below. Go ahead and check the latest price. Bye bye.